Finally, natural hair celebrated at the 2016 Victoria's Secret fashion show. Is this what heaven looks like? During Monday's broadcast of the 2016 Victoria's Secret fashion show, several angels blessed the runway, modeling their natural hair. Maria Borges, who made history by debuting her natural hair on the Victoria's Secret fashion show runway last year, joined Harriet Paul in rocking her TWA, or teeny weeny afro. Meanwhile, Jordana Phillips had us enraptured by her blonde cut, and Alana Arrington showed us the way, truth, and the life with her free-flowing tresses. The move was intentional. As lead hairstylist Sarah Potempa told Refinery29 ahead of the show, "We want to embrace everyone's natural beauty. We're giving a carefree approach to the length and type of curl," she said. "Some women with shorter hair, maybe a lob, will walk with that hair. We're not gonna add extensions to make it super long. And if someone has short hair on the side or a tight haircut, we're not gonna put a wig on or put extensions on their head. We're gonna embrace it." That is not to say there is anything wrong with protective styles, but in a culture that still stigmatizes kinkier hair, seeing all hair types affirmed is a step in the right direction.